The Howard University students came here for alternative spring break. Alternative spring break is when college students come to a city and they do volunteer work. So they have come here to Raleigh-Egypt High School and they have created the mural that is behind me.
The mural came about essentially, we knew that they had a wall in here that they wanted us to decorate. So we essentially came up with a girl, and we wanted her to, visually be aspiring to all the things that she can be, thinking about professions that she's seen in her life. One of my favorite quotes from Aquila and the Bee is, "Our deepest fear is not that we are inadequate. Our deepest fear is that we are powerful beyond measure." And I hope that it comes across with the different professions in the thought bubble that students are powerful beyond measure, and no matter where you come from, no matter where you are, you can do whatever you want to as long as you put your mind to it.
It has been absolutely amazing having the Howard students here in the building here at Raleigh-Egypt High School. And so I just want to thank the Howard students for coming in and giving your all to this experience. And I hope this experience was great for them.
H